Hello, everybody. Good day. Okay. Just recently, as I got to Poland, I discovered that for you to like cut your hair, you have to have up to like 30 swarty or like 40 swarty, depending on your location. And that to me as a student is quite expensive. So this was what I did. I was like, okay, I was in low court. For those who actually know me before, you would see that I was on this like blonde, and it was like kind of like full, not really that long. So I was just like, okay, I wanted it to like calm down, and I just thought that okay, what could I do? I don't have any experience barbing hair or doing anything. So an idea just dropped into my mind that okay, you could do anything that you can do definitely. So I just took the bold step. I went to the major supermarket we have here, the Hauchan market. I went there. I went to the electronics section, and guess what I got? I got a clipper. Yeah, I got this clipper, this air clipper, and it was just for 25 swarty, so it's quite all right for me. So now I'll just show it. So when I got it, I was like, what next should I do? So I came to YouTube. I searched everywhere. I could not, or probably I did not even have the patience to like get the necessary information. I did not see anywhere that was telling me like how to use the clipper. And if you see the clipper now, for the instruction on it, it's not in English. The instruction is not in English. You can see it's in French and Polish. So, and my Polish is still on like A1 level. So I could not just get anything out of the manual from the instruction. I could not get anything out. So I just asked around, and some people gave me some ideas. They were like, okay, this is the mouth, like depending on the length. As you can see, according to this clipper now, we have the millimeter, and it's also in inches. You can see that. Then these two, this is 12 millimeter. Depending on the length of the hair that you want to cut, this is 9 millimeter. Then this is 6 millimeter, and it came with some kind of like brush. Yeah, it seems it is to like brush this whole place. So I've cut my hair with it. As you can see, that's why I'm having this low cut here. So that's why this blade. So I've removed it now. So this is the way the clipper is going to come. So okay, this is the mouth. Like this is the blade. And for adjustment of the blade, we have this. It's like a lever. So depending on how you want the blade to be sharp, depending on how you want it to be sharp, you just, if you observe, you're able to see it very well, you would notice that, just watch closely, you would see that the blade is like going inside, then this is coming out. That means that this is like very sharp, and like this is going blunt. You get. So that's one thing in which you should know. So depending on how you want the blade to be. So for those getting a new clipper, so this is the knowledge I'm sharing with you. Yes. Then depending on how low you want your hair to be, for this size of mine, I used this. I used the 6 millimeter. So this is the way you do it. Like, I hope you can see. This is the mouth. Then you put it in the blade like this. Then you can see this back. You press it down. Yeah, and your clipper is like good to use. You get. So and then we have the on off button. This is the on. You push it up like this. Oh, there's oil on my hand. Push it up like this. Then you push it down. So if you are getting a clipper for the first time, these are what you should do with the clipper. Then you are good to go. So I'm going to plug it. This is my extension box. Yeah, over here it's just beside me. So this is, you can hear the sound. You can see that. it's working. So I've cut my hair already. So I cannot just say I should start, but I can still like just try cutting it. So when you do this, don't worry, the next step I will share it with you very soon. But now your clipper is working. At least it's a step forward. So, okay, if you have any comments to help those that are just getting their clipper for the first time, or you have any tips for better haircuts to do it yourself for DIY, kindly put it in the comment section. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day, a nice experience for first timers. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.